Alright, Northeast champs. So I'm at a table. Everybody left me though except for Hebs. Yep. He's the only one here. Everybody else went to like compete or something like that. Kind of lame. But I've been here for a while. Venue's kind of cold, kind of empty right now, but it's the beginning of the day. It's like Mega Man 6x6 right now.
Say that.
Alright, so I just scrambled one round to 6x6. I should have stayed away from the scrambling table. We had a cube pop, and then we figured out it was missing 2 pieces after trying to assemble it for like 10 minutes. It was so bad. But one group to warm up for 6x6, and probably just safety every single solve. And then, yeah, I'll record my solves like always. Such a different vlog. Woo! I'm so... 6x6 done. Really haven't done much except for practice that, and well, as you guys all saw, the first 2 solves absolute garbage, and then I do amazing. So hopefully I can save that for finals and just get all amazing solves there, and then beat Kevin Hayes, and then be happy with my life, and then not lose to him in 5x5 because that's my only real life goal left. But I really hate myself. Wasted single, and I'm gonna quit cubing after this comp now. Alright, so blindfolded just got done in the middle of it. I was a little bit too loud and I got warned to be quiet or I'd be DQ'd. Very fun. But anyways, besides that, I got like a really good average.
Yeah, I do
right there I had like a 40, 46, 48, 46, 40. That was a 44 average while warming up. But otherwise, I'm just warming up for 5x5 and 6x6 because I gave up on 7x7 and 6, the only final today that I'll be competing in that I care about is 6x6, and then there's 7x7, but Ben Way here will do that.
Yeah. Facts.
Yeah.
Fun. So I've literally been doing nothing except for like practicing, and I'm starving now, so I'm probably going to have to find lunch soon. Planning on just like walking somewhere because there's no food apparently in the venue. Alright, terrible vlogger. Went to get lunch, went to Rising Cane's, absolutely delicious, but now I gotta compete in 6x6. So, got to do that and hopefully fail again. 6x6 round 2 done. Pretty consistent overall, 136, 135, 136. Really happy with that. I'm just gonna grind for finals and just go all out then, because that's what's gonna take to probably win. But maybe I might have gotten first in this round. I'm hearing Kevin had like a 159 and a 140, but I don't know if that's true. And I know Ben got like a high or a low 137, high 136. So I should be clear of him also. So very happy with this round, but like I said, gotta get ready to go all out for finals. So they just called 7x7 Group 1. I am in Group 4. Yeah, Group 4, but I have to scramble 1 and 2. So I'm actually gonna go and do my job to help the comp run ahead. So scrambling 7x7 took up all my warm-up time for 5x5, but I got called up to compete now. Doesn't really matter, it's round 1, just don't do enough to make it to the next round, and I couldn't care less. So that's what I'm going to do, and then right after that, I think I have to compete in 7x7, which I'm starting to get tired, but we'll see how I do. Yep.
Good job.
Thanks.
Andrew Lofgren, 10.
Alright, so here's Shin. So I just finished 5x5, and now I'm competing in 7x7. Honestly, couldn't care less what happens in 7x7 because 5x5, 44.99 average, we think, which is absolutely insane. That's 7th in the world. I'm just on. It's crazy. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah.
I switched to Yahoo.
Say hi.
Hi everybody. Hi YouTube.
I'm getting. I'm like.
But it's just time for 7x7. I don't know how that's gonna go because I suck. Apparently Ben got a 204 mean, so let's just say it's over for me. Wow. 225, 225, 225. Extremely consistent, perfectly fine with that. Made it to finals, and that's what really matters. I'm just really hyped about the 5x5 average still, and I'm just gonna start getting ready for 6x6 finals because who cares about 7x7 anymore? Hey guys, just wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update, I guess. Haven't been doing much, just practicing 6x6. Not doing too well. I think 4x4 is up soon for me, and then like 7 or 6x6, something like that. It's a lot of rounds, but I'm just really looking forward towards 6x6 finals, and that's all I'm practicing. Hopefully I can clutch up either first or second, but I highly doubt that. So set the bar low and you will do well. That's my secret.
Can we please have no flash photography or flash video, just to keep the distraction from...
So switching up to the MGC4 seemed to be like a good decision. The two bad solves of average, I literally saw nothing good on them for myself personally. So just not really caring and taking it pretty chill. I'm very happy with that average, probably like a 28, 27, 28. So couldn't care less, just on to 6x6. 7x7 time, let's go.
Whenever you're ready.
Honestly, at this point, I'm only going to try in 6x6, 7x7. The mean could have been great, but I just didn't try, and it cost me a good mean, but whatever. I'm just kind of really tired, and I want to get this day over with, but I am still excited for 6x6 finals. They just called 6x6 finals. It's seeded, so I'm like 1. I have to go find that number. I don't know where that is, but excited, not excited, though at the same time a little bit tired. But here we go. My judge for seeded finals. I'm gonna have so much fun.
Oh, that's embarrassing.
So, finals, kind of meh. Don't know how I feel. Came down to fine margins, I think. Because what I'm hearing is like Kevin and Ben both sub 130. I definitely could have had a sub 130 mean. It came down to that very last solve. They said fine margins, that's what it comes down to, and means and finals and all that. So, disappointed. Hopefully I do get a podium still, but 6x6 Northeast title gone out the window. But hopefully I can get 5x5 at least. Yeah. 7x7 finals. Number 1 seed Benjamin Way. And the garbage number 3 seed Brandon Nunez. Alright, so my camera battery's kind of low. It's like half. 7x7 finals didn't really care about 228 mean. We'll see whether I actually make the podium or not because it's getting really close. But yeah, there's Adam in the background there. But just my day 1 or day 2 of the competition was just very long, and I was just like, after the 5x5 average, I couldn't really do much. Definitely going to look into getting a different 6x6 from the MGC. I'm just not happy with how it does under high pressure. Yeah.
Bro, that was
Has
rough.
anyone else?
Yeah, we just got, also,
used
me and him, we just got clean sweep by Kevin again. We suck. All the major results of good fast people for 7x7 we put in. This kid here by 0.01, that's what matters. And then Maddie got a 235, so 3rd place, woo. I get like $2 extra for that. Very cool. And tomorrow is a lot of 5x5, I believe, so I'm really excited for that because 5x5 my main event. And 4x4, I think I can get like a sub 27 average, maybe sub 26, put me in a pretty good spot for competing for podium and maybe winning, but we'll see. And hopefully 3x3 finals. That's another goal of mine to make, but probably won't. So that's the end of my day 1, the comps day 2. So thank you all for watching today, and see you guys all tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it's time for day 2. My first event, I believe, is 5x5, so I'll be warming up for that. Maybe another sub 45 average, that would be nice. Maybe sub Bill Wang, which is 44.85, would be nice, but I doubt either of those are gonna happen. But here's hoping. So scrambling took up all my time for warming up for 5x5, so ripped the average this time, but who cares? Just make it to finals. Probably will end up with like a 52 average. Whoa.
You know how to judge. Please help judge.
So that did not go very well. I guess I shouldn't have expected it to go very well. I have like no warm up. I maybe only had like 15 solves before I had to go scramble. So I just really wasn't in like the state of mind to compete for 5x5. So my ranking's definitely gonna go down to like 5th for this round probably. Not even a sub 50 average, disappointing, but what can I expect? Now I'm just gonna use my time to prep for 4x4 now. Time for 4x4. Lots of fun because I'm totally good at 4x4 and consistent.
Let's go incredibly fast. One more time, though. Get under 30. Yes, sir.
So overall, the average was average. Came down to that last solve. Probably could have pulled off a 26, so probably could have gotten the sub 27 average. But I'm me, and I always make some little mistake. But whatever, doesn't really matter. Hopefully, you know, there's still more rounds to come. I don't really know what's next, but I'll just be practicing whatever. I'm honestly kind of tired. These days are very draining. So 5x5 and 2x2 just got called up. So I'm going for 5x5, bring my 6x6 because I'm weird. And they were talking about 2x2 scramble, so and not to talk about Alex, but I use T-perms whenever I solve a 2x2. You know, kind of a crazy secret. Might get banned for it. Wish me luck. I think it's a 48 average, which is alright. Really not happy with the second and last solves. Definitely, the second solve felt like it should have been a lot faster than the last one. I don't know, my nerves are getting to me. I also didn't wear my jacket and I kind of felt exposed, so it wasn't the most comfortable, but still overall decent average. Hopefully it'll place me either second or third because I don't think I'm gonna get first with that. WCA Live is dying. They called out my name for 4x4. I still haven't competed in 3x3, and I think I'm in the next heat for that. But hopefully 4x4 goes a little bit faster, and I don't miss my heat. Otherwise, I'm just gonna, or group, whatever. You know, we don't talk about that, and then I'll just do whatever and compete in 3x3 normally instead of having to move it to a different group. So 4x4 done, still haven't been called for 3x3. 4x4 just annoyed with that 32, silly mistakes from being tired, messing up my first two centers. Ben, how'd you do?
I did okay. I made it, I think. So
He thinks he made finals, which is good because he'll get another attempt. On the other hand, I'm just gonna quit 4x4 after this comp. So Ben, have fun getting on the podium.
yeah,
It's your job to beat Ari now.
I got you.
Well, that's it. 3x3 soon. Probably just gonna not do good, and Ben's still gonna be faster than me. But that's it for now. So 745, 746, 3x3, average of 5. Absolutely happy with that. That's another PR, and it's sub AJ. So fun. Unless he gets a PR, but hopefully not even. Well, hopefully he gets a PR, just not faster than 746. You know. But this is where I'm going to call my day early because I have nothing left. And I just want to go to my hotel room and grind 5x5 and 4x4 for tomorrow because I couldn't care less about 3x3 at this point. I just want a Northeast title and 5x5 is my best shot. So day ends here. Day 2 for me. Day 3 for the comp ends here today. So it's the last day of Northeast Champs. So that means my last attempt to get a title. Either 4x4 or 5x5, most likely 5x5 by the looks of it, hopefully. But it's just gonna be everything I got left, yeah. Alright, so 3x3 round 2 for me. I placed 8th first round by PR'd, so probably won't happen again. Probably gonna be lower this time.
Yes.
Aiden at number 3. And Nippon at number 4. Will at number 7.
The fastest inspection I've ever seen. That's me.
And 5. And Eden.
So probably like a mid to high 8 average, not exactly that great. Actually, it might be a little bit lower. I don't really know. Counting 9 though, just not a good average. But it's the first round of the day, so just getting back into it. But really, the big events are 5x5 and 4x4, and I really think sub 10 will just guarantee you around 3 for 3x3. So hopefully, I make it, and that'll be that, and I can just get sub 8s for the rest and try to make finals.
Thank you.
So 3x3 semis time, I got an 8:32 average, which was a little bit better than I expected. That placed me into the faster group. So I think I'm on red stage. I don't really know, I wasn't paying attention, but faster people over there. So I assume I could only be over there. Taking a gamble with my 5x5, put a drop of DNM in it. Hopefully that'll work out well for finals.
Well, 5.
Thanks.
+2.
Time for my main event, 5x5 finals. I'm bringing my 6x6 up to warm up with. Let's cross my fingers that I do good.
I think today's like Sunday. Feels so easy.
So 5x5 finals did not go well. Those results it just hurts, in all honesty, to do that bad. For finals, so my last ditch effort to try and claim the title, I guess, would be in 4x4. But I really blew it in 5x5. I don't even think I'll make the podium at this point. Couldn't hold it together with my nerves. The scrambles weren't even that bad. Rough. It's rough. So, quick update. I honestly did not think my average was this good. It was a 50.83. Did not think I would be anywhere close to that. In all honesty, I thought I would have been like high 51s. But yeah, with that, I don't know if you guys could tell. Second place. So, I guess that's cool. Once again, behind Patrick. If only I could hold my nerves together, and I don't know. I took the gamble with the DNM. Maybe if I didn't, I could have won. Who knows? 4x4 finals time. I believe I'm next to Patrick, so that'll be interesting. Switching back to the WRM. Gonna give it everything I got because this is my last shot at a title. So yeah, here we go.
Yes, Kevin.
So aka somehow kind of former NAR, but not gonna count as former NAR because other people got world record.
I hate Samir.
Yep. 4x4 finals. Just gave up. You guys are seeing me just give up recording a lot of solves because I suck. That's like a 32 average. Basically repeat nationals, you know, go back like 3 years of competing to being garbage again, but who cares at this point? I wasn't anticipated to do well anyways. It's just disappointing how I'm doing in all these finals. Last day of the conference, my first time ever vlogging my lunch time.
Dude, 11-minute walk. These burgers better be fire.
Yeah, we're getting burgers. Probably gonna end up like dying. They're doing 3x3 finals now. Let's go, let's go. 3x3 finals. Ben's giving up on Tom. Yeah, 3x3 finals.
.70 seconds is Brandon Nunes. In second place in 7x7 with an average of 2 minutes and 12.87 seconds is Benjamin Way. And in first place in 7x7, also the Northeast champion in 7x7, with an average of 2 minutes and 8.95 seconds, is Kevin Hayes. An average of 1 minute and 34.94 seconds is Brandon Nunes. In second place in 6x6 with an average of 1 minute and 28.33 seconds, Benjamin Way. And the winner of 6x6, also the Northeast champion in 6x6, with an average of 1 minute and 28.30 seconds, Kevin Hayes. With an average of 51.31 seconds is Mari Hiroto Anama. In second place in 5x5 with an average of 50.83 seconds is Brandon Nunes. And the winner of 5x5, also the Northeast champion in 5x5, with an average of 47.87 seconds, is Patrick Pons. And in first place in 4x4, the winner of 4x4 and the Northeast champion in 4x4 with an average of 25.35 seconds is Patrick Pons.
So that wraps up for Northeast champs. 2 third places, second place, so no titles, but this is the end of this comp vlog. So thank you all for watching. Peace.